Hello everyone, my name is Preetham Kumar and I am currently pursuing my BTech first year at Khan Institute of Technology and Sciences. In this video, I am going to explain dynamic memory allocation in C, which is my practicum number 11 of operating systems. In this practicum, we will cover two programs. First one is dynamic allocation of an array and finding the sum. So program 1 is dynamic allocation plus sum. So this program dynamically allocates memory for an integer array, takes input from the user and calculates the sum. So if you go with the program, these are the header files. Stdio.h is used for the input and output functions like printf and scanf, and stdlib.h is required for dynamic memory functions like malloc. And this is the main function where the program execution begins. N stores number of elements. I is a loop variable. Sum is initialized to 0 and ARR is a pointer that will hold the address of dynamically allocated memory. And we take the input from the user for how many elements we want. This is the most important line. malloc allocates memory at runtime. N into size of int allocates enough space for n integers. It returns a pointer which we store in ARR. And this if statement, if array equals to null, we check if memory allocation is failed. If it fails, the program exits safely. We take the input values from the user and store it in the array using this for loop. And this loop calculates the sum of all the elements. And this printf statement is used to display the final result. This releases the allocated memory back to the system. This step is very important to avoid memory leaks. And return 0 ends the program successfully. Let's run this program and we'll enter the number of tickets as 3. First ticket is 10, second is 20, third is 30, and the total ticket value is 60. And the second program is about demonstration of malloc, calloc, realloc, and free. So let's get started. So program 2, this program demonstrates all four dynamic memory functions. So in the starting two lines, the same header files as before. Coming to the line 5 and 7, ARR is a pointer and N is initial size. New size is used for resizing. Here we're taking the initial size inputs. Here we are allocating memory using malloc. And as usual, we are checking whether the allocation is failed or not. And here we are taking the values from the user. We are printing the entered values using this for loop. And here the calloc allocates memory. It also initializes all values to 0. And here we're printing values of CLR array to show they are 0. And here we're taking the new size for resizing. And realloc resizes the existing memory. It can expand or shrink memory. And again, here we're checking if reallocation is failed or not. Here we're taking the additional inputs for the expanded part. And here we are printing the updated array. And these two lines are used to free both allocated memory blocks. And at last, this message is used to send like a confirmation message that memory is freed successfully. So we'll run this program and let the initial number of tickets be 3. The first value is 10, second is 20, third is 30. And the new size to expand the number of tickets is 5. Enter the new values is 40 and 50. So the updated ticket list is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and it displayed as memory freed successfully. So in this practicum, we learned how to allocate memory dynamically using malloc, and how calloc initializes memory to 0, how to resize memory using realloc, and how to free memory using free. Dynamic memory allocation is very important because it allows efficient memory usage during runtime. Thank you for watching.